Hey world of YouTube. Today we're back on Battle Cats. And as usual, we're continuing with our road to go to Superior on chapter 3 of the Battle Cats. Yeah. Anywho, just if you're wondering if I'm doing these at an exact time each day, I'm not. I'm just doing it at random times in the day. I'm gonna go right now. Let's do have a video every day. So far, I have failed that goal because I didn't post on Sunday. I was thinking of making a vlog on Sunday, but then I got lazy and never did it. Yay! Anyways, I'm coming in here and the base is just about to be destroyed. That easy. One hit point I saw. But there's the spear tropical juice. On the next one. And so on and so forth. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I am. India. Are we gonna find some Indian doges? Hashtag racist. Racist. Anyways, we're starting off here strong. First level, first superior. Let's see if this holds on to the next and second level. Anyways, hippos died. Great A. Bravo, hippos. Number 3, not good enough. Try. Anyways, speaking of which, comment down below how much experience you think I'm gonna get at the end of this road to superior. That is anybody that's actually watching this video, which I'm surprised if anybody is actually. So why am I talking? I'm just talking to myself. Anyways, like I said, Indians. Hashtag racist. Anyways, yay, superior curry. Speaking of which, why don't the battle cats just pick up pick off that curry from the actual base? I mean, well, actually, that's probably what they're doing. It's just that how good they're doing it. Ooh, look, mountains and a wall. Is it the Great Wall of China? Probably not, because we're in the pole. So, Doge, snatch. Did you know that most of the zombie enemies, the first letter in their name is actually a Z? I found that surprising. But then again, it's Battle Cats, so no more surprise. No more devotion. Not good enough. Anyways, I'll try to make these videos like over 5 minutes. Let's just hope I keep up that promise. Again. Anyways, as you can see, I'm not really that good into the game. I mean, like, I'm not like at Chihuahua stages, nor Reggae, or Lychee, or Nesquofa, so if anything, all those YouTubers are way better than me. Reggae, if you're watching this, which I don't expect why, then you're not as bad as you actually say. I mean, you're actually smarter than me, which I don't even look up a strategy. I just try to make up my own, which is not smart at all. since it's just YOLO. Like for chapter 3, I actually somehow found out a strategy and made up, with the main purpose being the battle cat from the Tales of Nicoluga. Gruber. Yeah, that guy slowed him down. He slowed Bahamut down. I mean, yeah, what am I saying? Bahamut? No. I mean, Bun Bun. I haven't gone to see Bun Bun in a while. At least not since I actually beat, like Western Mountain or something. I don't know what it was called on Story of the Legend. So we're not really that far into Stories of Legend. But, I mean, nobody's commented on the last video about, you know, like if you want sound or not. But I mean, as long as nobody's complaining or commenting to differ, then I'll just keep on talking. To be honest, I just realized that I need to make a video today, so I thought, hey, Fallout Shelter, to be honest, on Fallout Shelter, I'm thinking of making like an episode just like with the quests, to be honest, because I don't think it's like that amusing to show off my shelter. I mean, like maybe when I get like every single building, like maybe sure then, but right now at this stage, I'm just holding off. I mean, I'm surprised it actually got 7 views, but I'm not gonna go back to that until like I'm ready for the next quest. And when that time comes, I don't care whenever that time is. And I'm just gonna click that record button and just start taping. Anyways, we just inferior oil. No, that is not strong enough. Okay, so as you just saw, we're going into, I think, Saudi Arabia. Yeah, Saudi Arabia. And the battle begins. Whoop. I feel like my voice is not like, so it's like, wow, oh my god. I feel like I'm just calm talking, you know? Like I am right now. I'm not like, wow, no, nothing like that. I'm just calmly talking to you here while I'm playing Battle Cats in the background. Battle Cats, yeah. Flip, 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 flip. Anyways, to be honest, I've been playing this game for like a little over half a year. Both of my friends, they gave up on the game. I got them into it, and they gave up. Like for example, my boy Dominic, he tried to hack it, and it went wrong. He lost the game, and he hasn't downloaded it back yet. And my friend Randy Lynn, they both have YouTube channels. I'm not gonna link it in the description because I don't know how to. Yay! Wow, my poor knowing of how to link other people's channels. Yeah. But if you search up. If you probably search up Boss Bros, then you're probably gonna find Dominic's YouTube channel. Let's go over and check his out. I mean, he's a cool guy. Hanging out with him all the time. So yeah. Anyways, we're in Kenya now. Slovenia, Kaborichua. Rar. Anyways, you guys want a joke? You probably can't answer that, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, what did the plate say to the cup? Are you done guessing? Dinner's on me. Yeah. Do you get it? Because people usually say dinner's on me when they're paying for the meal. And it's a plate saying that. So dinner's literally on him. Did you get it? I hope you do, because I just went into detail. Anyways, as you see, 3 of my true forms. Maximum the Fighter, which is right here. Eraser Cat, right here. Nico, I still haven't found out what Nico means. And Mohawk Cat. I also... Oh, okay, we already beat the level. No trophy, really? There's even a treasure up too. So, when I run out of energy, I'm gonna end this video because I don't want to waste my cat food. If you want, I can actually record like a cat food opening. I'm just saying, that's probably gonna be like a really, really short video. It's just opening it. And of course, I'm going to put face cam on that actually. It's one of the only videos that I'm going to put face cam. For unboxings of cats or lunchboxes or pet things on Fallout Shelter and Battle Cats, then I will put face cam so you could see my reaction. Anyways, I am not going to watch an ad, because that would probably be copyright on my video. Biohazard, if you're wondering why I have that, it is because that kinda, as you saw, boosts up the research, and that's the only research upgrade I have. So yay, now you know. Anyways, I also have Scaly Cat, good against zombies. And I also have Whale Cat, good against metals, criticals. No criticals! Anyways, that is it. We just got a less superior. And let's see the next level. Next time on Road to Superior, Madagascar.